Hi everyone, WeatherBug meteorologist Miranda Hilgers back with your extreme and severe weather outlook. We have been keeping our eye on a tropical disturbance that could actually become a depression in the next 24 to 48 hours. It has a high chance of development as this area of clouds and showers drifts over the Bay of Campeche here in the Gulf of Mexico. Now the forecast model brings in at least a good soaking across the Gulf shores of Mexico, and that does include portions of the mountainous regions there near Mexico City where we could see some very heavy rainfall at times. But overall, not looking to be an impressive storm system, and we will keep you posted here at weatherbug.com with additional updates. Meanwhile, it was a different kind of storm across the central plains and into the upper Midwest. Sartell, Minnesota, a shelf cloud leading in as we had strong thunderstorm activity throughout the day, and not to be outdone, heavy rainfall also can be found in Queens, New York, with a little bit of flash flooding after some very strong storms pushed through yesterday. In fact, we had some severe weather happening here across the Northeast. A couple of cells were warned for a time, and even now the National Weather Service confirming an EF0 tornado in Worcester, Massachusetts. Down to the south, the Gulf shores of Texas seeing a soaking, and down into southern Georgia as well. And then, of course, we had the main cluster of storms that gave us very heavy precipitation from Iowa down through Nebraska and into Kansas. Now, as we move ahead into the rest of the day, we will see more strong storms, but I don't know if it'll be quite as many storm reports as we saw yesterday. Numerous reports of wind damage and hail that numbered over 150 in total. And so through the rest of the day today, we look for the same sort of threat from the southern end of the Great Lakes all the way back down here into the central plains. Again, damaging wind, large hail, and potentially a tornado or two by the time the day is through. This is what it looks like on the forecast. It's a cold front that's sweeping through the nation, and that's what's going to really trigger these strong showers and thunderstorms. And as it moves through, we have the potential for some very heavy rainfall as well. So here we go for St. Louis, Chicago, Indianapolis. All of you should be aware.